I am the Director of Systems Engineering for Ergon Refining, a privately owned oil refinery located in Vicksburg, Mississippi. Our oil that we manufacture goes into tires, goes into rubber, goes into cutting oils, transformer oils, and we're the world's largest manufacturer of naphthenic process oils. Our blender is very unique because it's not like a regular lube oil blender where you have certain fixed base stocks and it goes into 2 or 3 different grades of product. We have hundreds of recipes, dozens of components, and they change frequently depending on the customer. There was one person that was able to work on this blender from the manufacturer, and he traveled the world because he was the only one left that could work on these blenders. And he would dial in literally from China, Afghanistan, Siberia, South Africa, and we were getting a little nervous that he held the future of our blender in our hand. That scale house is what I call our cash register, because we can make all the product we want, but if we can't ship it out or bill, it's useless. We installed a lube blender based on Delta V and Tankmaster about 2 years ago now. And we picked Delta V for our blending system because we were very familiar with Delta V. The refinery is all Delta V. So, we could understand the workings and how it was put together. But now instead of one man, we had the LBP, we had Emerson Engineering in Baton Rouge, and we had Emerson in Austin as backup. We had multiple layers of support, which greatly increased our comfort factor. We needed to make this change if we wanted to stay in business. We've had some great results from this project. So good, in fact, we're adding a couple more bays to the blender. We've added probably 10 to 15% more products. We've pleased sales and marketing because they will come up with some idea of, well, we need to make this blend or we need to do this. We go, okay. Where before, it would be a requisition. You'd have to cut a PO, get in line with everybody else to make these changes. And so the small things we can do and the bigger stuff, Emerson helps us out.